they look good.
No, they look great even right now.
Yeah, I'm just being a perfectionist.
I got the guy for you though.
Yeah, everyone's
So actually,
I figured it would be cool to capture the detailing process, you know. So I actually haven't shown anyone on my YouTube channel the full car completed.
seriously?
No one's seen it yet. Like I haven't. I'm sure people have seen it from Instagram, but
Exactly.
I haven't actually posted a video.
Oh,
so
man,
this will be the first.
It's beating really fucking good. Watch the hood.
Yeah, I got little bugs and stuff in the drive.
That'll all come off.
Yeah. Yeah. So cool. So you always start top down with this, don't you? Yeah. Microfiber mitt, the usual.
Necessary.
Yeah.
And then I've been doing this. I have zero proof that this does anything, but my theory is it's pushing new soap with new dirt. Instead of going like forward, back, forward, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
Yeah, no proof that that does anything, but
Definitely better than swirling, I guess. Yeah.
that's my theory.
Yeah.
One day maybe I can test it.
Need a controlled environment.
Auto Geek, what's up?
Yep. Make the call. Big ol' ARC rear wing. Lots of cleaning. Starting to shine through. Sun came out. So a mitt like this with a lot of soap is the best way to avoid scratches.
And you can do, I mean, there are different like grains, so to speak. There's like thinner ones. There's ones that are like the, not wool, but like the, I don't know what they're called. Like, they're way finer than this though.
Okay.
They're
like
all
a terry
good.
or something.
Yeah.
But that's a microfiber though.
Exactly.
Yeah. Okay.
And this gets used one time per car, like one car at a time.
Gotcha.
It doesn't touch anything until it's been completely cleaned.
I see. touch up. What kind of soap are you using?
So this is a soap from a store called Blast Off out in West Palm Beach.
Okay.
And they sell a couple different brands, but they also make their own, and this is their own brand.
I see.
It's called Sweet Melon from Car Candy.
Huh.
Or excuse me, Sweet Melon from Blast Off.
Gotcha.
They do sell car candy.
Check it out.
This is gonna blow towards you. This wind is fucking.
Yeah. You're right.
You can see it.
Front end's always the dirtiest part of this damn car, driving on the highway and stuff, so see what Tyler does.
Top down, nothing crazy.
Yeah.
And again, same thing, because we already kind of reached over this side when we were doing the side.
Yeah.
It's all just a little bit of overlap.
Those N1 ducts, they fill up with stuff. Yeah.
Perfect.
You can get the towel in there. Yeah.
Oh
I might have to take off the bumper at some point because I get a lot of leaves and stuff get stuck underneath in the intercooler. Small things. Yeah. When I go through and I think engine bay detail is probably next.
Yeah, exactly.
You know, kind of take care of that. Time to do a little rinsing. Get what's left of the soap and dirt off. So that's cool.
Alright, this might look weird, but it's time to blow away from the taillight.
Smart man. Cold. Yeah, Tyler's a real good friend. He do me a favor coming out so early, cleaning the GTR before I head back down to Miami. But I wanted to capture this because I think it's a cool reveal of the finished GTR, at least the first iteration, let's call it. So thanks for coming along for the ride.
Is if the drying towel is not sufficient enough, it'll leave product on and then cause what looks like a streak.
Right.
So then you have to go back with the same product and reactivate it to get it up.
And that's kind of an issue that I have time over time. So,
Exactly.
yeah. Especially like if I'm using a towel, like you said, it's really saturated with quick detailer or something along those lines, it won't actually dry. It'll just keep smearing it.
Exactly.
All right. Don't want that. So who makes that drying towel? Is that one of the Griot's ones?
So yeah, this is from Griot's. This is their extra large drying towel. Really, really awesome. I've been using these for a long time.
Dope. Yeah, I got the small one, and I kind of liked it.
They're great. Even the small one's awesome.
It filled by the time you dry the whole car, it's filled though. It's definitely filled up.
And that's the thing. This one, it'll drive this car no problem.
Yeah.
You'll get something about the size of a Range Rover out of this.
Gotcha.
You probably want to use 2 on something that big, but.
Awesome.
And then also too, you'll notice we're kind of doing, again, drying from the top down, even though the car's clean.
Because any water that does drip down, you don't want to have to catch it again, right?
I just feel like it's weird to dry the bumper first before the hood. You know what I mean?
Fair point. Yeah.
To each his own. There's nothing wrong with it. There's 1,000 ways to do this.
Once the compressor's off, it's all like therapeutic and silent.
Oh, I love it. The pressure washer is my morning coffee.
Yeah. Fair point. You don't need any coffee. I got us up. We're awake now. It's nuts. Yeah, now the purple's really shining through with the light. You know, these windows, you know, we kept talking about the light scratching on it. I gotta buy something to take it off. That side window has a ton of scratches, but the front and rears are pretty nice, and the quarters are brand new, so it's really just the 2 side windows that's got some scratch.
All right, so we have clear water spotting here. This is a part that's like half in direct sunlight. You can see we've already sprayed down here, but all we're doing, just a light spray, and then we're gonna re-dry, so to speak, and there's no water spot.
Perfect. Yeah, it gets so hot here that if you don't dry the car immediately,
Summers are brutal, bro.
Yeah, one side of the car is already going to be water spotting in, you know, a matter of minutes. It's so quick.
Now that's the temperature bullshit is where a lot of my methods have come from.
Right.
Because I mean, you even see, like, we don't necessarily have to foam down the whole car, and we don't want you here.
We don't want you. Oh my gosh. I love just seeing the paint kind of poke through in the sunlight. It's crazy. And the thing that's irritating is most of the midnight purple cars in the US are, you know, these are 26, 27-year-old cars. They've all been repainted at some point.
Oh,
But
yeah.
you could tell though which ones were repainted right and which ones weren't.
Exactly.
Yeah. And that's
Well, there's a way to do it, and I call it jimmying.
Jimmy.
You can either do it right or you can jimmy it.
That's right, Jimmy Riggin. Yeah, I get that.
As you get older, you learn that when you jimmy it, you actually got to do it like 4 or 5
You do it
times.
twice, yeah, 3 times. And then is it really worth it in the end? I mean,
And see, like this side, for instance, we can cover the whole side because
Right.
it's not in sunlight. So this stuff's not going to dry, and we won't have to like reapply. It'll sit for a little bit.
gotcha.
It's also a really good sign that there's like actual protection on your car.
Right.
If this blows off and it doesn't like just spread around and as a sheet, if it actually beads off with the air.
Solid. Capture.
There's a right way and a wrong way to do this, if that makes sense. It's stupid. But you see these tiny little grains?
Yeah.
So if I just go up and down, you see how that's like,
You catch the white in it. Yeah.
so if you come, which is really fucking stupid and tedious, but
I get it.
It makes all the difference. I've also been moving from like actual tire applicators, like foam applicators, to these.
Ever seen that?
I think these spread a little bit better.
What kind of applicator is it?
This is
Like a microfiber of some sort?
I usually, yeah, this is just like with a little, you know, foam inside. I use these usually like on leather.
Oh, right, putting like a leather cream or something
Exactly.
like that.
But
Yeah.
I've been really liking them on wheels for some reason lately.
Dope. RT660.
A little extra.
Thanks,
dry.
Falcon. Gleaming and glistening. Crazy. Dope. Alright, one last walk around since we're done. Perfect. Excellent job, Tyler.
Thank you, sir.
Beautiful.
All right.
One last spot. He found it.
All right, now you're done.
Perfect. All right, see y'all. All right, this is Tyler of Dallin Detailing. Came out, cleaned up the GTR.
So I'm Tyler. Basically do mobile detailing, paint corrections, ceramic coatings. Try to cover all of Palm Beach County, a little bit more north, a little bit more south. But yeah, we got everything going today with Gabe. Took care of the R33.
Looking
I think
pretty.
it came out quite nice.
Yeah. Beautiful. Thank you so much, Tyler. It's awesome.
Much appreciated.
Yep.